from Bugeyeguys. Today we have a graveyard of control arms and front suspensions. These are worn kingpins and they wear on this outer fulcrum pin right here. You can see those are often worn, so we change a lot of control arms for that. Today we're talking about these inner bushings though, and those are here on Steve's car. They mount to the frame right here. That control arm A-frame thing comes out this way to the kingpin. It mounts to right here. But we're having a lot of really worn bushings that go in here. Here's some of them here. They're just falling apart. These are all damaged and will get changed, but it's a chronic problem lately. We're finding on a lot of cars. On this side in particular, we had distortion of the hole and it's no longer flat, no longer in plane. There's maybe some old crash damage that, you know, it took a hit to the control arm, it bent these a little bit, and then being out of alignment may have accelerated bushing wear. So we'll fix all that and make that right. So these have to be correct. In a lot of cases, you can put a blade between the frame and the arm and make them move, and if that's happening, it's happening when you go over bumps. The client said that the car was clunking in the right front, and I'm sure that this had something to do with it. We'll see if there's something else that's loose as well. Ted just got this off. Take a look at the play on this fulcrum pin. No, it's not showing yet. There you go. You can see how much wear there's been, and now you can see it. When you angle it left to right, there you go. So all of that, that's where the kingpin mounts to the outer end of this control arm. And as you go around a turn and hit bumps, all of that play is contributing to a less than precise ride. So new control arms are going to be in order for this car, in addition to the bushings out here that we're discussing. We need to address this problem, and a new control arm with a new socket and fulcrum pin will fix that. In the back here, I wanted to also show you this, which we've seen on many cars. It's a shame, but people put hold down hooks or tow hooks in this triangular area and tear the sheet metal. This is just thin sheet metal and it's a little thicker at the base, but the hook will destroy that. So we'll weld that back together again while we have the opportunity. So it's worth taking a look at your control arm bushings, and we sell all those parts in our catalog. He's getting new brake parts also while we're at it, with stuck wheel cylinders and also contaminated brake shoes. And he got new shocks already. So all of these things are wear items on any Sprite or midget, and we're happy to help you sort all that out with our parts catalog or our service here at Bugeyeguys.